This is an 8-inch clear glass single stem bud vase. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it costs you about $8. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinions remain my own. Alright, I have no complaints about the amount of packaging there. That was well protected. So there's the vase. It's relatively standard. It has a heavy bit of glass here, hollow up there. The top edge is very flat. I see a couple of little, like maybe an indentation or a bubble in there. And on the top here, there's a couple of tiny little divots here and there. So it's not like perfect, but it is relatively inexpensive and pretty good for this price, I think. So this is sold as a single stem vase, but you could get a couple of stems in here. I don't think I'll be able to get all of these little artificial flowers in, but I think I can probably get a couple of them in. It's actually, looks like I might be able to get 4 in comfortably. Maybe I could throw a 5th in there. I was able to get 5 of these guys in here. Maybe it's a little overloaded, but they are fitting okay.